Congratulations, your ebook is on its way. It will change your life, I promise you. I'm Nina from Nina Cucina, and I'm here to tell you that you can eat desserts and even snacks and not put on 1 pound. You now have a sneak peek of how to do it on its way to you. In my ebook, Nothing to Grain, the guilt-free guide to grain-free baking, I have a revolutionary approach to baking that allows you to enjoy low-cal, delicious desserts, snacks, and even bread without gaining 1 pound. So stop dieting. Plus, guess what? You're going to reduce the inflammation in your body as well. So get ready. Get ready to enjoy sweet, savory breads, muffins, yummy snacks, and even a donut and a bagel recipe are included. And yes, there is pizza. In every recipe in this book, you're going to get nutritional information to help keep you on track. You're also going to get in every recipe a what you'll need section, so you'll know exactly what equipment to pull and use from your kitchen. You'll have measurement conversion charts to make your baking life easy. And you'll also have a cake serving guide. Yes, there is a method to serve cake. And you'll have healthy resources to make shopping a breeze. All of this for just $12.99. These recipes let you snack and eat dessert and still look good in your jeans. It's just one click away. Just click the button below this video and pick up your copy. But do it today because this offer is not going to last long. I'm sending this book to print, and once it's printed, I'll have to charge at least twice as much. So click on the button below and get yours today.